Welcome to Spellbinders February 2026 All Clubs Create exclusive item called Lively Blooms. This is a set of standalone dies. All Clubs Create club membership includes all club options plus additional monthly bonus items. The bonus item is an exclusive product only available in this club. This month's exclusive item is this die set. Let's look at the dies included in this set. We have several branches, several stems, and 5 flower dies, each with a detail and a shadow piece. Cut the pieces from different shades of colored cardstock or colored cardstock and white cardstock. And adhere them together with glue. Add flowers to a stem. Now let's make a card. Foil a sentiment in polished brass foil on Pebble Betterpress cardstock. The sentiment comes from the Press and Foil Club of the Month for February 2026. This panel is cut to 5 by 7 inches. Adhere the flowers in the center of the panel to create an arrangement. Add the leafy branches. Add a piece of Best of Our Craft tape to make it look like as if the tape is holding the flowers together. Trim panel to 4.5 by 6.5 inches and foam mounted onto a 5 by 7 white card base. Embellish your card with black and white enamel dots and enjoy! Thank you for joining Spellbinders Club. Have fun creating!